Hello student, last lecture we will see the logic gates. What is a logic gate? They are divided into two parts. First one is a basic gate and second one is a derived gate. And basic gate have three type: NOT gate, AND gate or OR gate. In this lecture we will see what is a AND gate, what is a OR gate and what is NOT gate. What is a AND gate? The AND gate is an electronic circuit that have a high output, that is 1. Only if all inputs are high, their output should be 1. A dot is used to show the AND operation. The basic logic equation of an AND gate is y equal to a dot b. Show the logic symbol of an AND gate in next slide, and table also in this next slide. You will see the logic symbol of AND gate and truth table. Input A and B and output is a Y. Input is A is 0 and B is 0. Your output will be 0. Your input is 0 and 1. Output should be 1. Your input is 0 1. Your output is 0. But your input both are 1. Your output will be 1. This is the all input are high. Next is NOT gate. What is a NOT gate? The NOT gate is one of the basic logic gates. Its equivalent in a Boolean algebra is known as a NOT operator. The NOT gate is also an universe becomes its only universe that input, that is logic 1 state at the input becomes a logic 0 at the output and vice versa. The NOT gate is an electronic circuit with only one input and one output in a signal, that is output is always complement of the input. Next slide is a symbol and truth table. The logical equation of a NOT gate is y not y equal to y complements. The NOT operation is also referred as an inversion or complement of a small circles in symbol is known as a bubble. It shows the inversion in digital circuit. You will see the symbolic form of NOT gate and truth table. Input is a 0, then output is a 1 and also called as a complement. 1 your input, then output will be 0. Next is your OR gate. What is a OR gate? We will see the next slide. OR gate is an electronic logic circuit in which the output is in logic 1 state when any one or both the input are in a logic 1 state. A plus sign is used to show the OR operation in OR gate. The logic equation of a OR gate is y equal to a plus b is read as a y equal to a or b. The table shows truth table OR gate in next slide. In this slide you will see the truth table for the OR gate. Your output is 0 0, then your output is 0, then your input is a 0 1, then output is a 1. Your input is a 1 or 0, your output is 1. Your input is a 1 1, your also output is a 1. The logic gates which are derived from the basic logic gates are called derived logic gates.